let's do a quick refresher on how to spot bottoms and tops for swing trading. What we're looking for is we're looking for death crosses and golden crosses on the charts. So right here, this is a death cross, so this would be a sell point. This here is a golden cross, which means a buy point. What we need to see is we need to see a strong cross going down or a very strong cross going up, indicating that we are going to see a very, very good movement in either direction. It's going to be very easy to read. We're also using our RSI to confirm or question whether we're reading this correctly. And we're using our MACD to make sure it makes sense. So once we have all three indicators showing a strong movement upwards or downwards, we can make our decision if we're going to buy or we're going to sell. We don't need to be looking at the candles to try and find tops. We don't need to be looking at patterns. We can stick within the three indicators to find our tops and our bottoms. This will help you through your swing trading. So let's get started on some strategies.